Question number 7. A curve is such that dy over dx is equals to the 3x square plus 10x minus 8. Find the set of the value of x for which y decrease as x increase. So we want to find the value of x such that the y decrease, function decrease when x increase. So we can say that the gradient of the function is less than 0. When the gradient of the y with respect to x less than 0, it means that y decreasing as x is increasing. So we can find dy over dx, which is given, and this one is should be less than 0. So dy over dx is given, which is 3x square plus 10x minus 8 is less than 0, and this is the quadratic equation. We can use factorization. In this case, 3 times negative 8 is equal to 24 negative, and 12 times negative 2 is equal to 24. So this equation can be written as 3x square plus 12x minus 2x minus 8 less than 0, and when we take 3x common from first two term, it will be x minus plus 4, and negative 2 from these two terms, x plus 4 should be less than 0, and 3x minus 2 times x plus 4 should be less than. So equating each factor with 0, and we will have x equals to 2 over 3 and x equals to negative 4. Okay, so we need to find the set of the values. When we plot this quadratic equation, 3 is positive, so the opening of the parabola is upward. So when we plot it, then this point represents 2 over 3, and this point will be negative 4, negative 4. So this is negative 4 and this is 2 over 3, and this is gradient of the curve. It means from negative 4 to 2 over 3, the derivative is negative. So it means y will be decreasing with respect to x from negative 4 to 2 by 3. So this is the set of the values. So x should be less than 2 over 3 and should be greater than negative 4. And this is the range where dy over dx curve is negative. It means that the function decreases with when x is increased. Let's move to the part B. It is given that the maximum point of the curve has y coordinates 27. Find the equation of the curve. So we have given maximum point or maxima at x comma 27. This is the maximum, and we know that stationary point can be found by using equation dy over dx equal to 0. So dy over dx is already given, which is 3x square plus 10x minus 8 equal to 0, and when we solve it, it will be x equals to 2 over 3 and x equals to negative 4. So we can say that this curve has two stationary points, one at x is equal to 2 by 3 and other one is at x is equal to negative 4. Now we need to find the which of them is the maxima. To find which one is minima or maxima, we will use second derivative. So second derivative of given curve is means derivative of the dy over dx. So dy over dx already given, which is derivative of 3x square plus 10x minus 8 with respect to dx is equals to the second derivative of curve is equals to the 6x plus 10. So now we will plug these two values to find which one is minima or which one is maxima. So second derivative dy over dx at x is equal to 2 over 3. So 6 times 2 over 3 plus 10, and this one is 14, which is greater than 0, which means that this point is minima. Now we plug x is equal to -4. So second derivative with respect to x at x is equal to -4. So 6 times -4, this is the equation, plus 10, and this one is equals to -14, which is less than 0. Stationary point at -4 is maximum. So we can say that maximum point is x comma 24, and x in this case is -4, so we can say that -4 comma 27. So we have maximum point now. Now we need to find the equation of the curve. So equation of the curve is equals to the integration of derivative dy over dx with respect to dx. Dy over dx gradient of the curve is given, which is 3x square plus 10x minus 8. So 3x square plus 10x minus 8 with respect to dx, and this one will be equals to the 3x cube over 3 plus 10x square over 2 minus 8x plus c. So this one will be cancelled out and this one will be 5. So we can say that curve equation is x cube plus 5x square minus 8x plus c. So this is the curve equation, and we know that this curve equation also satisfies the stationary point, which is -4 comma 27. When we plug this value, it will be 27 equals to -4 cube plus 5 times -4 square minus 8x, which is -4 plus c. So 27 is equals to negative 4 cube is -64 plus -4 square, which is 16 times 5, which is 80, and -8 times -4 is equals to the 32 plus c. When we solve it, is 27 equals to -64 plus 16, and 16 plus 32, which is 48 plus c, and c will be equals to 27 minus 48, which equals to -21. So we have constant, which is -21. So we can say that the equation of curve is equals to y is equal to x cube plus 5x square plus 5x square minus 8x plus c. C is -21, so -21. This is the required curve equation